Good morning, everybody, or afternoon, whenever you're watching this. We are here at the Bud Plant Tour for a tour. Usually I try to do this every year or every other year, and I'm kind of on the mark there. I looked up the last time I was here, and it was back in July of 2016. So, wow, that's quite a ways ago. I'm going to see if there's anything different from the last time, see if there's anything more I can film. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you do, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get to the tour. If you do want to come to the tours, they are free. There's a self-guided tour, it's free, and the hours change often, so check the website. Right now the tours are from like 10 a.m. to 4, and I believe it's every day except for Tuesday and Monday or some day during the week, so just check the website. So do note that this is one of the Clydesdales, the famous horses that you always see in the commercials. Note that sometimes they do have the horses here, you know, for a tour, and you can see them. Just check the website. I believe it's coming up in May, they're going to have the horses here. So right off the bat, when you come in, as long as you're 21 or older, you get a free beer to start your tour off with. Pretty cool. And if you fill out the survey, you get a complimentary free beer at the end of the tour as well. So inside of each one of these is beer. See, there's no one here. It's just me walking around. The tour is just up ahead. So that's why I say if you want to do it yourself, it's a bit better. You can take your time, relax, get to enjoy everything. This is one of my favorite parts of the tour, is looking at all the advertisements. So these are from the 50s. And then it got generic. This is actually sort of a bar. So you can actually get beer, you can actually get food. It didn't used to be this way here. They used to just come in and you get, I think, like 2 free samples, and then that was pretty much it. They do have sodas that you can get. They do have free pretzel snacks in case you want something to go along with your beer. And they also have this movie on. So I'm just sitting here enjoying this beer, and pretty much I'm at almost the end of the tour. There's not much more left. There's where they bottle the beers, there's the gift shop, and then pretty much you're done with the tour. So I'm gonna sit back, enjoy this beer, and then head on with the rest of the tour. So as soon as you come out of the tour room or the tap room, you have the production area. It's where all the beer gets bottled. these are the different bottle editions that they was introduced in 1967. 61. Whoa, now this one's really cool. It's the gold bottle. Wow, that was 1964. And we ended up right back where we started, right where the Clydesdale is, right where the tour is, right this way. That has been it for this tour of the Budweiser plant. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will catch you guys on the next video. Zombie Chris, out.